Uh, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. My name is Haris Wahid Prasetyo. I'm master student in Textile and Apparel Engineering, Polytechnic STTT Bandung 2025. Today, I will present about development of natural coir, jute fibers, hybrid composites materials for automotive thermal insulation application. The first one is introduction. First, importance of coir and jute fibers. In recent years, natural fibers such as coir and jute have gained great attention because they are biodegradable, low cost, and environmentally friendly. They help reduce environmental impact and promote sustainable resource utilization, especially in the automotive industry where lightweight and green materials are essential. Secondly, thermal insulation significance. The thermal insulation is crucial in controlling heat gain and loss inside vehicles. Natural fiber with good thermal properties can enhance passenger comfort and reduce energy consumption. Physical and economic advantage. Coir and jute fibers process advantages traits such as biodegradability, low density, good physical and thermal characteristic, affordability and processability, making them appealing for cost-effective and eco-friendly composite material. The experimental methods. First, we have the extraction of coir fibers from hulls of coconut, offering high abrasion resistance due to their lignin content, approx 45%. Brown coir, thicker and stronger, is extracted from fully ripened coconut for use in matting, brush, and composites production. In the extraction of jute fibers are derived from Porcorus species, characteristic by uniform overlapping cells, known for their biodegradability and thermal properties. They are utilized in various composite applications. The physical and chemical properties. Coir contains cellulose, lignin, pectin, and water, while jutes exhibits uniformity in diameter, elongation, and fiber strength. Their design properties make them suitable for fabricating hybrid composite. The methods for make insulation thermal from jute and coir, we use compression molding, a binder system. A bicomponent polyurethane foam system serves as the binder, ensuring rigid structure and closed pores in the composites. Both polyol and isocyanate components contribute to the durable matrix. A process detail. Pellets of coir and jute fibers blend are compression molded at 185 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes with pressures range from 50 to 150 PA, ensuring optimal blending and structural integrity. A blend proportions. Various composite samples are created with fiber blend ratio, including pure coir, pure jutes, and mixed coir and jute blends. For example, 50-50, 70-30. A thickness and density of samples are tailored for intended performance metric. After we make composites, we have to testing about the composite. The first, thermal conductivity testing. Measuring using this method, ASTM C177 is evaluating the composite's ability to resist heat transfers. Samples are tested across defined temperature range, comparing theoretical and experimental results. Air permeability determined by ASTM D737. The measure examination airflow resistance through porous composite, influencing thermal insulation properties. Resistance increases with fiber density and reduced void space. And three, we have to testing about porosity and density. A porosity calculated as the ratio of void volume to total material volume is a key factor in determining thermal insulation. Density impacts fiber packing and insulation efficiency as defined by ASTM D3776. 3. Results and discussion. Analysis of thermal insulation property. We have to comparison the composite with existing materials. The thermal conductivity of coir or jute composites is lower than traditional materials like polystyrene and mineral wool, indicating superior insulation performance. Impact of polyurethane foam. Composites mixed with rigid polyurethane foam showcase enhanced thermal insulation values, benefiting overall efficiency. Blend proportion effect. Sample containing higher proportions of jute fibers demonstrate improved thermal conductivity, offering optimal insulation dynamic. Next, the analysis of surface morphology. We use a SAM analysis showed varied adhesion level with matrix material, where higher fiber content improves bonding. Fracture surface observation. Detached fibers were prominent in sample with lower fiber content, while stronger matrix adhesion was not in higher fiber weight sample. Pulled out of fibers. Visible fiber detachment reflects weaker interfacial bonding in specific blends, impacting insulation integrity. Influence of air permeability. Resistant to airflow. Higher airflow resistance correlates with enhanced thermal insulation as observed in denser composite. The role of fiber diameter. Smaller fiber diameter reduce permeability, controlling heat transfer effectively. Effect of composite density. Increased density result decrease air voids, amplifying. The insulation properties will reducing thermal transfer. Influence of specific porosity. Enhancement of heat resistance. Increased porosity boosts heat resistance. Optimizing insulation at low and moderate temperatures. Porosity and permeability relationship. Reductivity porosity limits air permeability, balancing insulation efficiency and material density. Micropore diffusion contribution. A fine microspores enables frictional heat transfer, demonstrating superior thermal insulation capability. Influence of thickness. A thickness enhances insulation. Higher material thickness significantly improves insulation at medium and low temperature. Thermal conduction dynamic. Thick absorbent material perform better at lower temperature but have minimal impact at higher temperature range. Optimizing material layers. Efficiency thermal insulation is achieved with strategically layered thickness in composite design. Influence of density. Effect on fiber content. Increased density amplifies fiber content per unit area, promoting improved insulation efficiency. Thermal behavior correlation. Higher density material excel in maintaining thermal insulation at both lower and higher temperatures. Structural compactness advantage. Denser composites minimize air gaps, offering enhanced heat resistance and insulation reliability. Influence of air gap. Thermal insulation improvement. Strategy air gap between composite layer elevate in thermal insulation performance, particularly at high temperatures. Optimization of gap size. Control air gap dimension, ensure balance airflow resistance and minimize heat transfer loss. Impact on heat wave resistance. Gap facility barrier creation against thermal waves, yielding higher insulation efficiency. Inverse relationship. A correlation to composite thickness. Increased thickness not ably reduce conductivity, boosting insulation properties. A blend ratio implication. Optimize core air-chute blending ratio ensure ideal thermal insulation performance while maintaining material robustness. The conclusion. Highly the lightweight and eco-friendly characteristic of core jute composites. Core and jute fibers exhibit notable attributes such as low density, biodegradable nature, and environmental sustainability, which make them especially choice for thermal insulation in automotive application. Discuss high thermal insulation potential. The hybrid composite materials, due to their blended structure and physical properties, demonstrate excellent thermal insulation capabilities, making them effective for mitigating heat transfer in automatic interiors. Describe bus applicability in technical textile. Core and jute hybrid composite are effective not only in automotive in interiors but also in broader technical textile applications such as insulation in building, aircraft, and industrial settings. address cost effectiveness and environmental impact. The natural fiber composites are cost efficient to produce and their reduced reliance to synthetic material contributes to a lower environmental footprint compared to conventional insulation materials. Summaries, research implication, the experimental results underline the importance of coir or jute composites in promoting green material for practical use, combining sustainable with enhanced performance in thermal resistant properties. Thank you.